If you're looking for a simple and powerful way to aggregate content, Browse AI could be the game changer you've been searching for. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to use Browse AI for content aggregation and why it's become a must-have tool for digital marketers. Stick around till the end and I'll share an exclusive deal to help you get started with Browse AI for free. Browse AI is an intuitive software designed to help you automate the process of scraping content from any website. Whether you're collecting data from blogs, news sites, or e-commerce stores, Browse AI makes it easy to gather the information you need in a structured format. What's more, you don't need to be a developer to get started. With its user-friendly interface, even someone without technical expertise can quickly set up and start scraping content from the web. To get started, all you need to do is sign up, and then the platform allows you to configure bots to automatically collect information from your target sites. This can be anything from text, images, links, or other types of data. Browse AI is perfect for content aggregation because it helps you pull large volumes of data and consolidate it in one place. This is essential for digital marketers who need to monitor trends, gather competitive intelligence, or track pricing in real time. Once you've created your bots, the software automatically monitors the websites for any new content or changes. It pulls data in real time and stores it in an easy-to-use dashboard. You can then export this information into CSV files or connect it directly to your other marketing tools like Google Sheets or an API for more advanced use. This makes it incredibly easy to manage large-scale content aggregation without constantly having to check websites manually. Now, one of the standout features of Browse AI is its accuracy. You don't have to worry about dealing with poorly structured or inconsistent data. The platform is capable of detecting the most relevant elements on any page and ensures that you're only gathering the data you need. This makes it ideal for content aggregation since you can be confident that you won't waste time sifting through irrelevant or junk data. Another powerful feature of Browse AI is its ability to handle dynamic websites. If you've ever tried scraping data from sites that load content dynamically, think infinite scroll or Ajax-based content, you know it can be tricky. Browse AI's advanced bot technology is designed to handle such challenges with ease, making it a great tool for modern web scraping needs. If you're concerned about the legality of web scraping, Browse AI is built with compliance in mind. It follows all the necessary rules and regulations, which is crucial for protecting your business from any potential legal issues. And before I go, I want to remind you, if you're interested in getting started with Browse AI, you can use it completely for free. There's an exclusive extended free trial available through the first link in the description below. You don't want to miss this chance to try out a tool that can make content aggregation easier and more efficient than ever. So, in a nutshell, Browse AI gives you the power to automate content collection, aggregate data from multiple sources, and seamlessly integrate it into your marketing workflow. Whether you're working on competitive analysis, content curation, or price tracking, Browse AI streamlines the process and saves you valuable time. Check out the link in the description to access your free trial and start using Browse AI today.